A third sheet. Number 1, complete. The length of median drawn from vertex of a right angle in a triangle equals half the length of hypotenuse. Number 2, the straight line passing through the vertex of an isosceles triangle perpendicular to its base is called x of symmetry. Number 3, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Measure of angle A equals 60. Then the number of x of symmetry of the triangle is. Any isosceles triangle has an angle with measure 60 change into equilateral. The equilateral triangle has 3 axes. Number 4, ABC is triangle. Measure of angle A equals 2. Measure of angle B equals 100. Then the smallest side is. This question means measure of angle A equals 100. 2 measure of angle B equals also 100. We'll divide by 2. Then measure of angle B equals 100 divided by 2 equals 50. We have 2 angles. Then the third, which is angle C. Measure of angle C equals 180 minus the sum of 150 equals 30. So the angle C is the smallest angle. This means the side opposite to angle C, which is AB, is also the smallest side. Then the smallest side is AB. Number 5, in a triangle, the sum of length of 2 sides is greater than the third. Greater than the third side. Choose. The triangle has one x of symmetry is isosceles. Number 2, the length of 2 sides of isosceles triangle are 7, 3 cm. Then the third side equals 7. Because if we choose 3, then 3 plus 3 less than 7, it can't be. Number 3, XYZ is right angle triangle at Z. YZ equals 6, XY equals 12 cm. Then measure of angle Y equals. We'll draw this triangle like this. This triangle, XYZ, Z is right, XY, YZ equals 6 cm. YZ equals 6 cm, XY equals 12 cm. This means the side YZ half the length of XY. In a right angle triangle, this means the side opposite to angle 30 in right angle triangle equals half the length of the hypotenuse. This means measure of angle X equals 30 degree. So measure of angle Y equals 180 minus 90 plus 30 equals 60 degree. Number C. The measure of the vertex of an isosceles triangle equals 78, then the measure of the base angles of each one equals 180 minus 78 divided by 2 equals 102 divided by 2 equals 51. The last, a triangle ABC, BC equals 9, AB equals 7, then measure of angle C what? Measure of angle A. The angle which opposite to side BC is angle C, and the angle which opposite to side AB is angle the side the angle which opposite to side BC is angle A, and the side opposite to angle AB is angle C. So measure of angle A greater than measure of angle C. Number C. The last sheet. Number 1, complete. If 5, 12, and A plus 7 centimeter are sides of an isosceles, this means we have two equal sides. Then the third side is sure 12 cm. This means A plus 7 equals 12. What plus 7 equals 12? Then A equals 12 minus 7 equals 5 cm. ABC is right angled at A. AB equals 5, BC equals 10, then measure of angle B equals. We answered this before by XYZ. The triangle ABC, A is right, B, C. AB equals 5 cm, BC equals 10, BC half the length of the hypotenuse, so measure of angle C equals 30. This means measure of angle B equals 180 minus 90 plus 30 equals 60 degree. Number 3, ABC is triangle has 3 axes of symmetry. This means the triangle ABC is an equilateral. The measure of each interior angle equals 60. This means measure of angle A equals 60. Measure of angle C equals 60. 60 plus 60 equals 120. Number 4, ABC is a triangle. Measure of angle A equals to measure of angle B equals 80, then the longest side. We must know the greatest angle. The greatest angle. Measure of angle A equals 80, and 2 measure of angle B also equals 80. This means measure of angle B equals 80 divided by 2. Measure of angle B equals 40. We have 80, 40. This means the third angle, which is angle C, equals 180 minus 80 plus 40 equals 60. The greatest angle is angle A. So the side opposite to angle A is the longest side, which is BC. Number 5, AB is a median in triangle ABC. M is the point intersection of its medians. AM equals 7. So AD equals what? We'll draw this triangle ABC. AD is a median. M the point of intersection of medians. we will put it here. AM equals 7, so MD equals half AM, which is 3.5. So the AD equals 7 plus 3.5. 7 plus 3.5 equals 10.5 centi. Choose. Number 1, ABC is triangle, measure of angle A 48, measure of angle B equals 66, then the number of acts of symmetry. We'll find the third angle, angle C, measure of angle C equals 180 minus 48 plus 66. 114 equals 66. So we have two equal angles, which is angle C and measure of angle B. Then the triangle is isosceles. The isosceles has one ax of symmetry. Number 2, ABC is right angle triangle at B. BD is a median. AB half AC. Then measure BDC. We have to draw the triangle. ABC right at B. A, B, C, right at B. BD is a median. AB equal half AC. This means AB half AC. This means the angle C equals 30. Angle C equals 30. And also this means the median drawn from the right angle equals half the length of the hypotenuse. This means BD equals half AC. This means BD equals DC. Then the triangle DCB is an isosceles. Then measure of angle DBC equals measure of angle C equals 30. So in any triangle DBC, the sum of measure of the three angles equals 180. Then the measure of angle BDC, measure of angle BDC equals 180 minus 30 plus 30 equals 120. Number 3, the length of two sides of triangle 6 is 13. Then the third side equals what? The third side belongs to the open interval. The difference between the two sides, 13 minus 6 equals 7, and 13 plus 6 equals 19. So we'll choose any number lie between these two numbers, 7, 19, which is 8 centi. 8 centi lie between 7 and 19. Number 4, in a triangle ABC, measure of angle B equals third, measure of angle C equals 30, then measure of angle E equals, this means measure of angle B equals 30, and the third measure of angle C equals also 30. This means third C divided by third, a measure of angle C equals 30 divided by third equals 90. So we have 30 degree, 90 degree, then measure of angle A equals 180 minus 90 plus 30 equals 60 degree. The last question. ABC is triangle, measure of angle E 52, measure of angle B equals 68, so CB what AC. A side opposite to angle A, which is BC. A side opposite to angle B, which is AC. So AC, the measure of angle B, greater than measure of angle A, then the side AC greater than the side BC. We'll choose this. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.